Good evening, students. Welcome to Shruti Academy. So let us start with the question number 3 of exercise 6.6 of chapter 6 triangles for class 10 CBSE NCERT. So the question number 3 says, in figure ABC is a triangle in which angle ABC is greater than 90 degrees and AD is perpendicular to CB. Okay, AD is perpendicular to CB produced. Okay, CB produced, and that is CD. Okay, so we need to prove that AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square plus 2BC BD. So we have given an expression. We need to prove LHS is equals to RHS, and in the LHS we are having AC square, RHS we are having AB square plus BC square plus 2BC into BD. So in the figure itself, if when we produce BC, we get CD over here. When we produce CB, we get CD. Okay, and angle ADB is forming a 90 degrees over here, but the angle ABC is greater than 90 degrees. It is greater than 90 degrees. So the value of this angle is definitely greater than 90 degrees. Okay, so we can clearly see the two triangles are formed over here. The first triangle is a triangle ADB and the second triangle is triangle ADC. Okay, so the first triangle is triangle ADB and the second triangle is the bigger triangle, which is the triangle ADC. Now let us take one by one the triangles and apply our Pythagoras theorem over here. The Pythagoras theorem we already know. Whenever we are having 90 degrees in the triangle, the Pythagoras theorem is applicable over there. Opposite to 90 degrees is the hypotenuse. The square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the perpendicular and the base. Okay, there's two sides which are the perpendicular and the base. So let us take the two triangles step by step and try to prove our expression which is being given to us. Okay, so taking triangle ADB, first of all taking triangle ADB. So taking triangle ADB, taking triangle ADB. So here it is 90 degrees. So opposite to that is AB over here. I am having AB. So AB square will be equal to AD square plus DB square plus DB square. Okay, so the triangle ADB I am having over here. So opposite to 90 degrees is the hypotenuse, which is my AB, and AB square is equals to AD square plus DB square over here. Okay, so let us mark it as equation number 1. Okay, now taking the second triangle, which is my whole complete triangle ADC. Okay, so taking triangle ADC. So when I take my triangle ADC, AD is the perpendicular, DC is the base, and opposite to 90 degrees is now my this side, which is AC. So it will be AC square is equals to AD square plus DC square. Okay, because this is my whole triangle. So let us write down, applying the Pythagoras theorem. Let us write down the reason also why it is coming over here. It is because of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so let us write down the expression for the triangle ADC. So it will come out to be AC square is equals to AD square plus DC square. Okay, same reason, Pythagoras theorem. Reason is same, it is a Pythagoras theorem. So we can now clearly see our DC. Our DC is comprised of DB and BC. So in the place of DC, we can easily write dB plus BC. We can easily write over here dB plus BC. Okay, so let us substitute the value of DC over here. So DC is equal to dB plus BC. Okay, let us mark it as equation number 2. So substituting, okay, this will be 3 and this will be 2. Okay, so substituting the value of DC from equation 3 in equation 2. Okay, so let us substitute the value. So substituting the value of DC from 3 in equation 2. Okay, so now we are substituting the values. Okay, so let us substitute the value. So what we will be getting, AC square is equal to AD square plus, in the place of DC we will be writing dB plus BC, because when we see, we have extended CB to CD. So my DC is comprised of dB plus BC. When I will join these two, I will be getting DC. Is that clear? Okay, so now here I will be writing dB plus BC square. Now here it becomes a formula for x plus y whole square. Okay, so x plus y whole square, what it becomes, x plus y whole square will be equal to, we already know mathematically, it will be x square plus y square plus 2xy. So we will be applying this formula for opening the dB plus BC whole square. Okay, so let us quickly apply it and see what we are getting over here. Okay, so AC square will be equal to AD square plus DB square plus BC square plus 2 dB BC. Okay, plus 2 dB BC. So it is x. Let us suppose that dB is x and BC is y. So x square will be dB square, y square will be BC square, 2xy, 2 into dB into BC. Okay, so here we are getting this expression. But in the question, we are asked to prove AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square plus 2 BC BD. So BC BD we are already getting, BC square also we are getting. Only thing is that we are not getting AB right now over here in our RHS. So we can clearly see from the equation number 1, AD square plus DB square is equal to AB square. Okay, so from equation number 1, we can substitute AD square plus DB square to be equal to AB square. Okay, so let us substitute over here. We will be substituting over here. So finally we will be getting AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square plus twice of BCBD. And this only is the expression which we need to prove in the question itself. Okay, so here we are done with our proving. So let us write down hence proved. hence proved. Okay, so this is our expression which we need to prove. So in this manner we just applied the concept of the Pythagoras theorem and we have proved over here. Okay, so thank you. So please subscribe my channel, please share my videos, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.